What's up, y'all? It's me, Krabs with a Z. Welcome back to a Wanderlust Wednesday. Today, Sam and I, well, not today because I taped this forever ago, but this adventure we head to Cutler Creek Trailhead. Where are we, Luna? Guys, we made it. That was definitely an all-terrain, four-wheel drive, some shit. But here, look. Also, we need to invest in bear repellent. Yep. Cutler Creek Trailhead. It's gorgeous out here. Oh. Hi! Come on, Looney. I really could not find a whole lot of information about this area, so we drove up, found it on the All Trails app. What the All Trails app does not tell you is that it is definitely a four-wheel drive trek. So the Jeep came in handy here. Get up to the top, gorgeous, and not far of a walk. I mean 100 feet, and there is a absolutely cool waterfall called Miller Falls that I cannot find any information. Can find a little bit on Cutler Creek Trailhead. Miller Falls, no information except for the sign that tells me the elevation and the name of the we kind of followed that creek a little bit down and around. You can actually drive over the creek. We decided not to. We just walked over it. Look at all the rocks! Oh, we are pretty. And came into a big clearing, gorgeous views of aspens, gorgeous views of the mountain, and just all around a really cool trip. Wish I could find more information, but I got this footage for you. I'm peeing in the woods. Yep, just peeing in the woods.